here we have the
Comme des Garçons.
Air Max 97 in Glacier Grey. Looking at the materials, the leather is thick, smooth, and nice. It even comes with a hang tag to show you that they ain't playing about the materials in this shoe. The laces are thicker than the laces from regular 97s. All this luxury sitting on a white airbag and sole.
Comme des Garçons.
Branding on the insoles even though you really can't see it. These came in black, but I like these better.
Comme des Garçons.
Kicks are expensive as hell, that's why I waited to cop these. 'Cause I rather pay $140 than $350.